Okay, well, good afternoon, my fellow Rotary 5020 Rotarians. My name is Bill Rollins. I'm privileged to be the president this year of the Rotary Club of Parksville AM. Our club was chartered in 1994. We're a relatively small club of about 30 Rotarians. Our demographic is clearly geriatric, but we are working really hard to bring that geriatric demographic rate down, plummeting into the 50s if we can, maybe even nudging the 40s. We've actually got three new members already this year, so our club membership is up 10%. We have two more prospective ones that we are almost shoo-ins to be joining us in a month, so that'll bring our average this year up to 16% after 3.5 to 4 months. So we're really excited about how that's going. You might ask if I'm excited about Rotary this year. You betcha. We have a really enthusiastic and energetic club in spite of the fact of our geriatric nature. They are very enthusiastic, very ambitious and ready to go. We just finished a incredibly successful fundraiser, the RCMP musical ride that we've sponsored for, I think this is the 4th time we've done it. And probably raised something, I think, in the equivalent of around $20,000 clear. It's going to get pumped back in the community over the next 3 years. We hope to be able to get that back to us, the RCMP ride coming back to us again in 2022, and we'll start it all over again. We had about 3,000 people attend 2 performances. Great response from the people that viewed the event, and for me as a patriotic Canadian, it always brings tears to my eyes to see the RCMP doing their thing on the horseback. We've had a couple other fundraisers over the year. We had one Beach Fest fundraiser that went incredibly well. We have another one coming up on Saturday that will probably generate another $2,000-3,000 for us, we anticipate. So those fundraisers and one that we have ongoing all year long, we've been very fortunate to have partnered with the Beach Club Resort, which is where we have our meetings every 2nd and 4th Wednesday of the month. And the Beach Club has generously donated through a contract with us all their recyclables, their aluminum cans, beer and pup, and all their bottles, beer and wine, as a fundraiser for us to recycle. And that project brings us in somewhere between $7,000 and $10,000 a year. And it's ongoing. So if anybody's looking for a really cool, neat, win-win fundraiser, that's it. Not only do you raise funds from recycling, but you also keep a whole bunch of stuff out of the landfill. So it's a total win-win. Other than that, one of the things that we are looking at this year, we haven't done it in the past 2 or 3 years, maybe even longer, is actually put boots on the ground. Okay? That's in the community. And what we're looking to do there is to renovate and build a local community park. We're working in partnership with the local community association and the Lions Club of Parksville, and we hope to have that one completed certainly over this year, maybe before the end of the calendar year. And finally, the one thing that we may have gained some note for over the past number of years is our international connection. We've been doing great work down in Mexico, in the Baja California, Mexico. We're partnered with an organization, a charity, registered Canadian charity called Live Different, based in Hamilton, Ontario, and have gone down to Mexico to build in the last 5 years. We've built a home, a kindergarten, a community center, an adult education center, and this February we plan on going down to build a technology classroom on a campus just south of Vicente Guerrero. It's about 5 hours south of the Tijuana-San Diego border, and I cordially invite any Rotarians from District 5020 who would like to join us February 5th to 17th of 2019 to come along and join us. We'd be pleased to have you come along, and I can tell you one thing, when it's in February, when it's bleak and foggy and rainy and gray in the Pacific Northwest, it is sunny, 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, so for our American friends, 74 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Clear blue skies, light winds, gorgeous weather to build in. You'll love it. Mexican food is fantastic. And finally, to conclude, I would wish you all a fantastic 2018-19 Rotary year. Be the inspiration.